this is Priyanka here. Welcome to Simply Biology. Today's topic is pedigree analysis. Let's see what is pedigree analysis. Pedigree analysis is a record of inheritance of a genetic trait for 2 or more generations. This is a parent cell inherited to their sons or daughter. These travel from generation to generation. Any inheritance or genetic trait passes from one generation to another generation, that is called pedigree analysis. Let's see, this is a square taken as male. This is a circle taken as female. This is for normal individual. This is taken a checkered male, a checkered female. Circle is for female. This is affected individual. Affected individual means what? Any disease or traits that is carried from parents to their offsprings. It is represented in the form of a diagram or a chart. This is for female. This is mating. This is a male. In this way, the chart goes on and on. It is represented in the form of a diagram or a chart or a family tree. In this way, the diagram or the family tree goes on. It is employed in the case of human beings and domesticated. Any disease or any traits that are passed from the parents, affected parents or the normal parents to their offsprings and so on through generations and generations is called pedigree analysis. Mostly the pedigree analysis is taken for the disease called hemophilia. Hemophilia, as we have discussed in the previous class, hemophilia is also called as bleeder's disease, in which the blood doesn't clot. If you get a wound and it does not clot, the bleeding does not stop. It is called as bleeder's disease. It is also called as royal disease. So let's take an example. Here we have taken a normal father who is hollow square. Here it is an infected mother. We call it as carrier mother. It is colored. Here it is a normal father. She is a carrier mother. It gives rise to a normal daughter. Normal daughter is hollow and it is an affected son. In this way, the tree are inherited from generations to generation. It passes on and on through many generations. It is called pedigree analysis. It is mainly calculated for the infected traits or inheritance from the parents to their offsprings. Let's see an example with a good diagram. Here is a small example of autosomal dominant and autosomal recessive, where both the parents are affected and both the parents are not affected. This is an example showing the X-linked dominant and the X-linked recessive characters of the parents to their offsprings. From all these things, we came to know that pedigree analysis is used to distinguish between autosomally inherited and sex-linked traits between dominant and recessive characters. Which are dominant, either hemophilia or normal is dominant, the traits will pass to the next generation. Either hemophilia is dominant, it will pass to the next generation, or the normal is dominant, it will pass. If the hemophilia is recessive, it won't pass to the next generation. If the recessive is normal, it won't pass to the generations. It is also be used to predict the probabilities. Probabilities, either hemophilia or color blindness or any sex-linked traits of the offsprings with a particular phenotype. Tall, short, long is the phenotype. Genotype, it's genetically identical or gene is involved in it from the individuals who have not yet born children. Any probabilities of the offsprings, particular the phenotype or the genotype from the individuals who have not yet born children can be analyzed through this pedigree chart. Once phenotypic data is collected from several generations, careful analysis will allow you to determine whether the trait is dominant or recessive. Thanks for watching the video. If the videos are anyway helping you, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and the previous classes are mentioned in the description box below.